front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary Font. Rosemary Font is one of the most popular ones. If you want to apply it on this Samsung, you don't need any apps or any tricks. Just go into settings, scroll to hit display, and scroll again to tap on font size and style. Now it's time to tap on font style and access download fonts. Click on Rosemary one, tap on install button and go back to the list. Now to apply Rosemary Font, just click on it and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!